Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you Etsy dropshipping best beginner's guide. So all you have to do is just simply create or make an account on Etsy in order for you to do this tutorial or to follow this tutorial. With the dropshipping business model, a retailer can sell things without having to produce them, keep stock, or send them to customers. The business strategy is well liked by novice and risk averse business owners who want to launch an online store. So, in short, drop shipping is that you are getting an idea, you're getting products from this certain sites, and you want to sell them even if you don't have them yet. But if someone ordered this to your store, then you can automatically send this information or this order to that specific company, and they will be the one to arrange everything and do this for you. And of course, you can earn through that. You can earn income by just selling it, even if you don't have the stock yet. So let's just say, as I've mentioned earlier, if you are a novice in Etsy, you don't have to worry about that, especially if you're a novice in drop shipping. Okay, but of course, before proceeding with doing this, the first step to becoming a seller on Etsy is to set up your Etsy account. You have to type your name, address, and you must have a valid bank account or credit card or debit card, something like that, before you can proceed. You can do this by visiting the Etsy homepage, clicking Sell on Etsy, and then clicking Open your Etsy shop. You will be guided through the process by, of course, creating your store's settings. So, for those who are new and novice when it comes to dropshipping, I'm going to introduce to you Shine On. Okay, so one of the most well-known jewelry makers is thought to be Shine On. The business produces and markets its own unique jewelry while also providing other entrepreneurs with a chance to enter the market early and make additional earnings. Shine On is one of the few print-on-demand businesses that only specializes on jewelry and accessories. So if you're thinking about drop shipping and you know, um, print on demand, Shine On is one of the most popular sites when it comes to that. Okay, so as a result, you can be sure that there will be a variety of things to pick from. Products range from personalized keychains with engravings to exquisite necklace, earrings, bracelets, and made of silver and made of gold jewelries and accessories. So you just have to connect your Shine On to your Etsy. As you can see, I'm about to connect this one. And of course, you have to grant its request. You have to click this one in order for your Shine On and Etsy be connected or link. Okay, so let's just say that you wanted to customize or you wanted to sell a jewelry or accessories from Shine On. So as you can see here, I'm looking for a product that I wanted to sell. Let's just say I want to pick this product here below. And all I have to do is just simply, you know, uh, copy the information here, also save the pictures, and I think create my own way or style of selling this wine and then post it in my Etsy. And since Shine On's items are shipped from a factory in Florida and is most suitable for businesses that sells goods in the US. However, you should benefit from quite quick shipping if you live in America. So that's the advantage of Shine On. Okay, so just select the product, the best product that you can sell, for example, this one. But I think or I recommend that when you sell like jewelry or any other accessories here, you must have also a bit information about this wine and you must be very transparent with its description and information so that no need for questions or any other, I mean, for the customers, they will just buy it like without any hesitations. So something like that. Okay, so if you want to add a picture or if you want to add a product here, you can also do that by just adding an image and then, change the information here, change the description here, okay, and then publish. And after that, you can simply, connect that to your Etsy shop and people will buy that if they like it. And that's it. You don't have to be really busy when it comes to selling or drop shipping because all you have to do is to just focus and give time in editing and looking for the products that you want to sell. So let us know what are the pros and cons in, you know, drop shipping or using Shine On. Okay, so we have here posts, we have here excellent or exceptional selection of jewelry items, many options for modifying your portfolio. You can already discover customers on the market, wonderful high quality products, swift delivery inside the US. Okay, and the cons is possible hindrance to international sales. So that's the reason why they recommend it for US cities only or places. Okay, so for those who are novice for dropshipping, I recommend this Shine On for you. Okay, so next we have is You Only. For jewelry manufacturer, I highly suggest You Only. So if you want to know more information about the site, you can just simply go to You Only Jewelry and you can see their wholesale customized jewelry, okay, automated drop shipping, and so on. So well, if you are still confused about how drop shipping works and what are you going to prepare for that. So actually, in drop shipping business model, you promote products and provide an storefront, online storefront. When a customer places an order, you send the order to the dropshipper and inform customers that the products are on the way. So, in short, for example, this one, if you want to customize or sell products from You Only Jewelry, you have to get some images and information from the site. Okay, for example, this one. I have to save these pictures here, and it's up to me if I'm going to edit it to make it more beautiful, to make it more captivating, to make it more engaging, something like that. So, of course, I have to save these pictures first, and um, it's up to me the tools that I'm going to use if I'm going to edit this one. So, for example, I suggest using Canva. Okay, for Canva, you can create thumbnails, you can create logo, you can create or you can edit pictures there, and it's a very wonderful to use because it's for free. And there are some features there that are not available, but you can still use them. So, for example, right now I am currently saving this and I want to edit and make my pictures more beautiful using Canva. Okay, actually, you can also create video here. Okay, you can create video through AI. You can create presentation, something like that. So this is just an example. For example, I want to make it more beautiful, more attractive. So I have to edit my product or these products in Canva. And also, after editing the pictures using Canva, you have to download this. And you can also get videos from TikTok, especially if these videos are connected to your product. Let's just say I'm looking for videos that is related to print on demand or something like that, or jewelry, something like that. And of course, you have to give credit to the owner of this video. Okay. So, for example, this is just an example, okay? For example, this video is related to my product. So I have to save this one and go to any editing tool, for example, CapCut. Okay, so import the video here, and then I can also import the pictures here. You can edit, or I can edit this video. And once done, all I have to do is to export and then grab some information saying You Only, grab some information in Shine On, and then post this to my Etsy account. Okay, so That's it. Okay, so are you looking for the best ways to earn money online? Drop shipping on Etsy may be one of your best and wisest decisions. Etsy is not only an easy venue to start selling online, but drop shipping on Etsy also greatly simplifies things. Think about not having to worry about storing or shipping goods. You may easily build the product using Etsy drop shipping, and someone else will handle the fulfillment. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.